So now we will see what Rigel is. Well, programs, we have an option, which is called Riga, and it is click on the cases, and we see such a situation with our cove. We have depth, we can write 250, see how the camera moves, height 250, width, if not a radical column, passes, and the column we will generalize in principle. We will make it 250 in advance. Then we will see how it works, and we got this result. Yes, here. In principle, here. It turns out that without a common name, we get such a configuration inside. Now let's enter the time. Let's see what options. Options of the Rigel are written as C, and we look at what options we have for the lower part. For example, let's click and see. If it works, as you can see how everything is rearranged from the shower. By you, there is the left position of Rigel, and there is not red with 5 credits and the right position. And then there is such a configuration of the league. So we have this option, and there is on the right side. So now we can switch to vertical crossbar and go in here. See, here it is. Here, it's essential that they are cut off. These diaphragms, partitions, supports, yes. We do a reassessment and it recalculates. And you see how it was all cut off just as it should be. And all of this disappeared. And we get this kind of configuration. And here again, we find the Ooliger in these options. The front Ooliger like this. Also reassessed for the longeron. And so on. So, in principle, we get this configuration. In any configuration, whether it is at least for now, horizontal or vertical, we also perform these tasks diligently. So, I personally ensure that I also do it horizontally, making sure everything is aligned perfectly and functions as expected. You see, it turns out both vertical and horizontal. I think everything is clear to you. Let's put the backrest. See how it works on the backrest. We place it like this, set the front support. Here as well, and we place I go in, place the backrest. You see the green again in front of the heart. You see it goes away. Now the backrest, so the green as well. Made of laminate, made of chipboard. You see, it's the same. It went inside and needs to be recalculated. Recalculate and everything falls into place. I think everything is clear and understandable to you. We have different options for the Rigel, and you can use it however you like. Here is also on the backrest how everything works, and you can even see how the shelf is inserted. and the shelf holes, or you see how they are distributed. And then the program drilling machine for side purposes, such drilling here like this drilling and here like this. I think everything is easy and simple, and you can use it. Good. When you have it, there is a column. There is, therefore, the ridge runs at the top and the column. And we, therefore, think that we have considered all the options, the possible options that may exist. With this, I bid you farewell. Goodbye.